Hey guys, it's Tina, and I was asked the other night if I could help you guys remind you again how to figure out A, what customers have ordered, B, what they actually ordered on their order, and C, if they used a host code. So I thought this was an important topic because if you can combine enough orders in 30 days, including your own, to hit $600, then I believe you're getting 16% back in Hostess rewards plus a half price item. So it's worth watching and seeing. And if they don't use a host code, that's okay. You can go down to the chat button. I think it's at the bottom of the screen. I'm not sure where it is. I found it the other day, but I chatted with them and they linked orders for me. So how to do that? You'll go to menu. So I am in demonstrator view here. I'm not in customer view. So when you log in, this is what you'll see. And you're going to go to menu. And when it opens, you're going to click on customer center. And then you're going to click on customer order history. And then you can put the dates in that you want. So when it comes up, click go to current tool, because this will be updated eventually. They're working on new stuff, as you guys know. But go to current tool, and then what you can do is put in dates. So I have been putting in just June to June because I open up a couple host codes on the first of the month so that they can both accumulate that total, and then I can use the Hostess rewards for the prizes that I give away to my customers, the rewards I give at Palooza events, and then also for building my own inventory, okay? Because there's so much that's new with Stampin' Up! That I'm still trying to grab things. But I love hitting the $600 mark because then I have product I can use to give away, and even to give away to you guys, okay? So that's going to be coming up. So you're here, you're going to click whatever you want to look at, and I'm going to look at June 2024 through June 2024. I just want to see all of the orders that have been placed this month, okay? And remember, the other thing is that when you open a host code, it's only good for 30 days. So make sure that you make a note of that and close it before the 30 days is over so that you can get those Hostess rewards. So here you go. What you're going to get is a list of all the orders. You can see them all, customer orders, your orders, and if there's been a host code linked to it or not. So when it says workshop, that is the workshop order that I opened up to create the host code, and then these are all my customer orders. And you can see not all of my customers are super good about using host codes, and that's fine. Most of them aren't, but what I have done is I have contacted Stampin' Up! Demonstrator support and asked them to link different host codes, and I keep track of where that party is. So that's why you see host codes are all over the place. So when it's over 600, I'll go ahead and close it because that's at 16% and you get the half price item. But let's say you're not sure what they ordered, or you want to thank them for their order, or you want to send them some artwork ideas based on the product that they ordered. That's something I like to do a lot. So you can click right here under order number, click on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up and it's going to show you exactly what that customer ordered. And so what I like to do is send them a message on Facebook. If they're not on Facebook, I'll send them an email and I thank them for their order. And then I say, okay, I see that you ordered Mediterranean blooms. Here is some ideas. And because I get to know my customers well, I know if they are scrapbookers or card makers. So I know, like, send them scrapbooking ideas for this set. And I just tell them, thanks for your order. I want to give you some inspiration so that when your product arrives, you're ready to create. And I share it. Sometimes I will just do this as a post in my customer group because then those pictures I share benefits everyone and they love it. But that is exactly how you find out what what your customer ordered and whether they used a host code. So if they didn't use a host code, right here, she didn't use a host code. And here is a lesson for you. I had closed out a workshop and I opened the next host code like within 5 minutes of her ordering. I didn't know she was ordering. So because I had closed out the host code, that order right there, $129, could not be linked to any order. So note to self, don't close a workshop order until you've at least opened another one. Okay, so let's go back. Let me go here and let's, remember Stampin', if you click the Stampin' Up, it takes you back to your main screen. Okay, so it brought me to my main screen. So let's just remind you of how to open those host codes. So I don't know if my internet's slow or if the Stampin' Up back office is slow. I feel like it's the Stampin' Up back office. I don't know, but to remind you how to set up a host code, go to ordering, okay? And then placing orders, and then workshop order. That's how you can set up a host code. And once you get in there, I know you guys probably know this, but I took it as an opportunity to show you. I can pick myself as the hostess, but I can always change it later. And then you click get host code and it gives you one. And then this is just giving you a little insight of stuff I do. I don't know if you guys will find it helpful, but maybe you will. So I highlight that, I copy it, and then I use my notepad, and I have one that says host codes. And I know what this one was. It's for those demonstrators that buy my guides so that I can grab their orders, and then I give away those hostess rewards directly to them. And then I started a new host code on the 18th. And so what I'll do, since I just made this, I might as well keep it, new host code, and I'll put the date. And today is the 23rd, so 6-23-24, and then I'll paste it. And the only reason I keep this in a note is because when I am going to contact demonstrator support to say, can you link these orders to this host code so that I can close it out for the host rewards, it's easy for me to find, but you don't have to do that. But that is how you do a host code. So I hope that helped you know, one, how to find your customer orders. And that, again, just to recap, is under menu, and then you go to customer center, and then you go to the order history, put in the dates that you want to see, and you can see who's ordered, what they ordered, what host code, and then also how to create a host code. So I hope that helps you guys. Happy Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.